Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. You're looking at our squash, our straight neck squash, and we've already harvested one. We want to harvest our squash while they're young and tender, okay? And that's the best time to come out and get them because that's where they're the most juiciest. And so I've got to pick me some. Let's pick a couple right now. Now I encourage you to pick as many as you can, because they grow so fast. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Man, this is the food I'm talking about. That you deserve, that you used to have in your body. Nice, tender, young squash. Do you realize I can eat this right now? The reason why I'm not is because squash has hairs on the outside. I want to make sure I wash it off first and clean it off. But this is beautiful food. This is absolutely beautiful food. And that's what we're growing here at Torpedopot. Torpedopot grows your food when nothing else does. Let's get another one. All you do is put your seeds in this planter right here, or your plants in that planter, and it literally grows your food for you. Yes, this is my yellow squash, and I harvest this all the time. And I want to continue to harvest because if I don't, they'll get big. Who wants big squash? Nobody likes eating big, ugly squash. Let's go find some more. Absolutely, absolutely. And so I want them young and tender. And Torpedopot is the great way to do it. All you do is take your seeds and your plants and put them in that planter and watch it grow your food for you. You'll never have a problem with food again in your life. Let me just hang them on the vine. That vine is strong enough. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Wow, that is so beautiful. Until I come back and get it. I don't want my food to fall. Tell you guys, these are so strong. These vines are so strong, man. It's amazing. I don't know why I'm playing this game with you guys. But anyhow, I just wanted to show you that Torpedopot grows your food. You don't have to grow your food anymore. I'm gonna go back and get me some more. Actually, I want some younger ones. Let's see some younger ones back there. Can I get up and try those younger ones back there? Let's try them again. Okay, come on. It's so big, it's hard to see back here. Wow, look at that one. Oh my gosh. Man, look at this. Guys, man, we're going to have a lot of food. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 24 inches, we've already picked 4, 5, 6 already. 6 of these squash and 24 inches. Wow. I'm gonna go find some more. Guys, these are Torpedopots. You never water, you never feed your plants. You put your plants and your seeds in this planter right here, and it grows your food for you. You turn a knob, and it waters for you. It does a good job of growing food. And look, I want you to see this, no imperfections on these at all. No imperfections anywhere. It's a perfect in every way, forming in every way. It's a perfect. But more importantly, they're food. Let's see if I can get a couple more. Is that okay? Put these back on up here. I don't want to damage anything. I hope everything's cool with these plants. But let's try it. Put it right here, here, and here. Let's try to see if there's any more back there. I see a couple more, but they're small. Well, there you go. One more. Okay. All right, there you go. This is beautiful. So, wow, it's amazing. 1, the 2 we had earlier, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zucchini. Excuse me, yeah, 7. 7 yellow squash. 7 yellow squash growing in my Torpedopot. So we've grown a number of different types of squash, and they're doing just fine. Guys, these are Torpedopots. All you do is put your seeds in that planter, put your plants in that planter, and it grows your food for you. You do not have to grow your food anymore. And the food that you get is perfect. Not one blemish anywhere. It's perfect food in every way. Each one is identical, true to this genetic inheritance. Whatever has been established in that seed will come out. And that's why we never have a problem with food. So I want you guys to see this, because the purpose in the design of the Torpedopot, why the circular design we have, because each plant breaks themselves out and falls over to the side. So it will have a logical amount of room to produce the minimum or maximum amount of food. So partitioning each one of these into their own zone makes a lot of sense. And this is just beautiful. So from this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 plants. I can grab any one of these pieces of food and extract more seeds than I have out of that plant right there. So this is a continual growing supply of food that you will always have. You will never run out of food. Follow our directions and we'll lead you into areas that you've never seen before. But you'll be able to have food production that you can't even imagine. Torpedopot grows your food, always will. And this has been a really great video I've been wanting to take for you guys so you can see it, what's really going on here at Torpedopot. And we've got a lot more to show you. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.